Hare Krishna. Just as a plant takes in many things in the early stage and gives out a lot in the later stage when it grows into a tree. Just like a plant takes in water, it takes sunlight, it takes the manure, and it also takes cultivation and the fencing and all that, attention, insecticides, pesticides and all that. But later when the plant grows into a tree, then it yields leaves and flowers and fruits and wood and even shade from the summer and winter for the people who take shelter of the tree. It becomes a residing place for the ants and the birds and others. Later on you can make even a table or chair with that tree. So in the same manner, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Janma sarthaka kori kara para upakar. You take advantage of Krishna conscious items and purify yourself and benefit yourself. But afterwards you also should also give the same contribution to the rest of the world. Prabhupada's guru told him, if you preach this Krishna consciousness, it will do great good to you and to the whole world. So you will see that beginning from the Krishna Janmashtami month, end of August and September, followed by Balram Jayanti, there is Radhashtami, following the Kartik month. The Kartik month just got over day before yesterday. So the Kartik month is Radharani's month, and the December month is Margashish month, is Krishna's month. So Radharani's month is for taking shelter of the internal potency by chanting, reading, hearing, and taking an association to celebrate it, Govardhan festival. And all the different leelas of Krishna happen in the Kartik month. We went to Yatra, we heard lectures, we took part in dancing kirtan and everything. So taking in. We have taken in a lot in the last many months. Now it is time for giving out. Just like I told you the example of a tree. So between 15th November and 20th December, we only have 35 days. Why am I saying 20th December? Because after that the youth camps happen here, and also many devotees also become busy in the end of the year. Of course, some devotees do between January 1 and 10 also. But mainly this period, 15th November to 20th December in Pune, His Holiness Gopalakrishna Goswami Maharaj has given us a target of 7 lakh books. Now the two temples, the Camp Temple and NVCC Temple, are going to submit the scores separately. It is not combined score. So therefore, it is very important that every single member of our community, be brahmacharis, congregation, students, working boys, Matajis, Prabhujis, everybody, even children, everybody should take part in Prabhupada Book Marathon without any hesitation. And every single day, with the rising and setting of the sun, you should count how many books of Srila Prabhupada I could push today. You can make phone calls to your friends, relatives. You can go to the colleagues in the office or college. You can go to the neighborhood people near your house. Go to the shopping malls. Go to the marketplace. Lord Nityananda and Haridas Thakur are the guru of the spiritual world and material world. Nityananda Prabhu is the Adi Guru from the spiritual world. And Haridas Thakur is Brahmaji, the guru of the material world. Both gurus are becoming preaching partners. And they are going out house to house as Lord Nityananda ordered them. Lord Nityananda Lord Chaitanya ordered them. Shuno shuno Nityananda shuno Haridas sarvatra amara agya koro ho prakash prati gare gare giya koro yehi bhiksha bolo Krishna bhajo Krishna karo Krishna shiksha. So Lord Chaitanya told, hey Nityananda, Haridas, please listen to me. Take my instruction all over the world. How do you do that? He said, our movement is called door-to-door policy. Go home to home, or go to the college hostel room to room, or go to the streets person to person, or go to the train bogie to bogie. So go to the people, approach the people, and Krishna Shiksha, how do you give? Show Prabhupada's books. Show this transcendental knowledge to the people. The more you reach out this transcendental knowledge in the form of Prabhupada's books to the people, and the people are going to become enlightened in their heart and engladdened in their hearts, their mind, senses, intelligence, everything will become purified by the transcendental touch of the spiritual sound vibration. And by that, once people blossom in their spiritual life, they will become peaceful, and they will become peaceful elements in the whole human society. There are so many wars going on now, so much religious riots and clashes going on all across the globe. The world is on fire now. On the other hand, Srila Prabhupada taught his followers not to be a part of the war, not to be a part of quarrel, but to become a part of the peace and bliss in this world. So devotees who are blissful, if they don't distribute the bliss, then the wars will increase. Then the cancer of the globe will increase. The earth will get diseased with the cancer of wars and quarrels and riots and hatred and things like that. But if devotees are sincere in reaching out Prabhupada's books to as many people as possible during this time, at least during this time of November 15 to December 20, 35, 40 days, if we do that, we will do the greatest service to humanity. We may not be great preachers, we may not be able to influence many people in society. But if you distribute Prabhupada's books, definitely one thing is assured for you, that Prabhupada's blessings and the Parampara's blessings will come upon you. Because this was one service which was most pleasing to Prabhupada. And there is no doubt, if some other service you do, if you want to learn Sanskrit, if you want to learn yoga, you want to learn this or that, you have to ask, will Prabhupada be pleased or not? You are not very sure. But to distribute books, you can't ask, will Prabhupada be pleased if I distribute books? No question about it. 110% assured that if you distribute Prabhupada's books, abundant blessings will shower upon you if you do this. So my humble request to every one of you, all the devotees, don't think somebody else will do. Generally people think, somehow Pune gets very good score every year. And some devotees told me, I wonder, without my doing so much, how nice score is coming in Pune? So don't imagine that somehow score will come. Every one of you should ask, what am I doing? Not only what am I doing during the marathon month, ask what am I doing today? What is my plan today? How am I making an effort to reach out some Prabhupada books every single day? Already some of our teams have gone out already for distributing in schools in Gita contest. So Antadi Prabhu is sending many teams out for Gita contest. Amyamasan Prabhu and Sarlakshan Prabhu, and they are a very powerful team. He is saying, you tell me which part of Pune you want the books. Sarlakshan Prabhu is ready to reach the books. Anywhere, not only Pune, now anywhere in the world we are ready to reach the books. So we have that kind of bandwidth now. In Pune, we have online distribution, we have offline distribution. And they have made links for you by which in your name the books can be purchased by anybody. If any of you say, Prabhuji, all scores should come in my name, go and meet Amyamasan Prabhu, he'll give you a link. All the books anybody orders in your name will come in your name. So much facility, arrangements are made by the devotees here. So my humble request to everybody, take it to your heart. Now you had enough taking in. Now it is time for giving out. Janma sarthaka kori kara upakar. At the same time, Prabhupada didn't say it is time for giving out, throw away your bead bag. He didn't say that. Wake up in the morning, attend the Mangalarti, Narsingarti, Tulsi Arti, chant the japa very nicely, pray to Srimati Radharani, to Guru Parampara, Sri Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj, everybody. Please purify my heart, give me the inner strength to be able to present Krishna consciousness to people and convince them to take Prabhupada's books. And that time we can go and distribute Prabhupada's books. So any of you say that, Prabhuji, I am leaving at 5 o'clock with the bus. We are going to distribute 1,000 books today. No problem. Do Mangalarti in the bus itself. Chant Hare Krishna in the bus. Don't compromise in your Arati programs and chanting japa and hearing Srimad Bhagavatam class and taking prasad. Take care of all these things. And along with that, you also make sure you give out abundant mercy in the form of Prabhupada's books, reaching out to people. And this is a good time for us to purify our hearts through this wonderful service that Prabhupada is very much expecting us to take part in this Gita Jayanti month in India and Christmas month abroad, all over the world. Everywhere devotees are fully into book distribution. So we should put our heart and soul in this. And even small children like this, if they show Bhagavad Gita, people take very easily. People feel, oh, a child is giving. Such an innocent child, they immediately take it. So every one of us should take part in this distribution. Let us see how all of us are going to reach this big score of 7 lakh books for the book marathon 2024. Srila Prabhupada Book Marathon ki, Harinam Prabhu ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrinda ki kaliyuga pavana harinama sankirtan ki नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की